comprehensive guide to grow your carrots and make them look like this one. You will see how good the carrot is and how well fed the carrot is. This is an organically grown carrot, which took about 90 days between when we planted them and when we harvested. So carrot is a very good crop, and it can grow in most of the climates, and you just need good manure, good soil, good variety, and your carrot will be looking like this. You grow carrots directly into the soil, so you don't transplant them, you don't grow them on containers or tins later to be transplanted. So directly into your soil. If you're using tins, then you'll grow your container into those tins and not transplanting. And they take about 90 days to grow, so just make sure that you know the right variety that you need for your climate region. So you ask your local vendors or your local agrovet where you're buying the seeds, which is the best variety. Make sure you have the best soil, black cotton or even red soil. So long as it is nicely healthy soil, it will grow. And of course, if you have good water, because they'll need lots and lots of watering. The other thing that you need to check out for is disease and pest control. I didn't see any issues with that, though you may still have like rust or aphids on carrots, but mine were pest free. So I guess I'm like your the maintenance was quite well, was done well. So the other thing that you need to make sure that you do when you planting carrots is to look for to do the thinning when the carrots are when they germinate. After a few weeks, you do thinning. You see how they are close together. If I had done like good thinning, then they shouldn't be that close. So you need about 2 inches apart. You need like to have 2 inches apart from each carrot. So we did some thinning, but the thinning was not good enough. But I can't complain because the soil was nicely rich with organic manure, and therefore our carrots were able not to compete for the nutrients. They were able. Today we are going to harvest carrots. And this is just amazing. So these carrots, it's over 90 days since we planted them, and we want to do something else on the drip line. So we are going to remove the entire we are going to harvest the entire carrots actually. So remember when I was telling you about thinning, these two were planted together, meaning that this is now a waste, or you can just like chew on it. Quite yummy, but this is the right size for sale. So we're just going to pluck one by one and try and see if okay, not easy, but I don't have the energy. Lovely. Because of thinning issues, but they are yummy, so we feed on them. So this is quite interesting and okay. Given that it was our first trial, So it looks like our soil can do quite amazing work as long as you have what? As long as you have water, because this is water and some good cotton soil. Yeah, so we are going to do this today. Just harvest it. Let me stand. Just harvesting. Such a nice. It's nice. Let me give you a huge one. Oh God, yes. This was eaten by a pest. Nice. Let me show you one which is deformed. Where is it? There's one with a baby. Oh, here. So it has a small baby.